Hi, and welcome to the TMCC library. In this video, we're going to conduct an article search and utilize the MLA Citation tool. To begin, go to the TMCC homepage at tmcc.edu/library. Most of our databases and ebooks have a citation tool that generates a formatted MLA works cited or APA reference. To begin, click on Databases from the homepage, and then scroll to peer-reviewed journals and other periodicals. You'll then click on EBSCO. EBSCO is one of the largest databases we have, but it's not the only one with a citation tool. Once in EBSCO, we can put your term and your topic in one of the search bars. For today's demonstration, let's use the term hybrid cars. You can use synonyms like hybrid vehicle or electric cars. You can also add other keywords to help make your search a little more specific. But for this demonstration, we're just going to use the term hybrid cars as our search. We'll get many results once I click search. We'll use the second option, and this is a good sign because our term is highlighted. When you click on that article, you'll notice you have several options. You can either access this online or download as a PDF. Let's go ahead and open the article as an online full text option. This is a thorough article, and it also displays the table of contents on the right-hand side. When you find an article that you want to use for your paper, such as this article, you'll want to cite it in your paper and list it in your works cited. We can let the database format that citation for us by clicking on the quotation mark symbol toward the top. When you click on that, you'll be given several different formatting options. The database defaults to APA, so we're going to click the drop-down button and look for MLA. Here it is, right here, the MLA 9th edition. When you click on that, you will be given a fully formatted works cited. All you'll need to do is highlight it and copy it to either your Word document or Google Docs. I'll show you how to format it in our next video. Thanks.